Under the relentless sun, a humble village struggles against the harshness of poverty. Ali Baba emerges from his modest home, his weathered face reflecting a life of toil. The weight of his labor is evident as he slings a well-used axe over his shoulder. In a small village lived Ali Baba, a poor woodcutter. A voice echoes, painting a portrait of simple beginnings. He worked hard, collecting firewood to sell in the market. The voice continues, underscoring his daily grind. The axe's dull gleam hints at countless days spent carving a livelihood from the unforgiving landscape. In the heart of a dense forest, Ali Baba's axe rings through the air as he diligently chops wood. The forest symphony of birdsong and rustling leaves provides a serene backdrop to Ali Baba's labor. One day, while gathering wood, Ali Baba heard the sound of galloping horses. He quickly hid behind a tree. A vast forest clearing is disrupted by the ominous arrival of 40 men cloaked in black, riding towards a monolithic rock. He saw a band of 40 thieves stop near a huge rock. The riders halt their steeds near the rock, their dark robes billowing around them. Each thief brandishes a sword, their faces grim and shadowed beneath their hoods. Menacing figures encircle the ancient rock, their intentions shrouded in mystery and threat. The air crackles with anticipation as the 40 thieves prepare for their unknown purpose. Before the silent rock, the leader of the thieves prepares to utter the fabled words. His voice cuts through the stillness. "Open sesame!" the leader shouted magical words. "Open sesame!" Awaiting the rock's response, the leader remains still, expectant. The air crackles with anticipation as the leader awaits a response from the ancient stone. Deep within the forest, Ali Baba peers cautiously from behind the ancient trees, his eyes wide with awe. Ali Baba watches, utterly amazed. The thieves vanish within the secret entrance, their echoing cry of "Close sesame!" sealing the stone door behind them. With a resounding thud, the rock face returns to its original form, concealing the hidden trove within. The thieves vanish into the distance, leaving behind a cloud of dust that settles slowly over the parched earth. Ali Baba approaches the imposing rock face, his steps tentative, each footfall echoing his apprehension. When the thieves were gone, Ali Baba whispered the same words. "Open sesame!" and the door opened for him too. He repeats the incantation, his voice barely a whisper, as he commands the rock to reveal its secrets. A grinding sound fills the air, and a hidden doorway in the rock begins to materialize before Ali Baba's astonished gaze. Deep within the earth, a treasure cave glitters with untold riches, its golden light promising fortune and adventure. Ali Baba stands at the cave's mouth, his eyes widening as he beholds the overwhelming sight of the hidden wealth. Inside, he found mountains of gold and sparkling gems. The narrator recounts, painting a picture of opulence and abundance. With newfound hope, he decides to take only what his family needs, then hurries back towards home. In his humble home, Ali Baba's joy is radiant as he unveils a treasure of shimmering gold to his beloved wife. But when his rich and greedy brother Kassim found out, he forced Ali Baba to tell him the secret. The joyous moment shatters as the door bursts open and Kassim storms in, his face a mask of fury and avarice. The sudden intrusion casts a shadow over Ali Baba's home, signaling the beginning of a treacherous conflict. Inside the treasure cave, Kassim's eyes gleam with avarice as he greedily fills bags with gold. Suddenly, Kassim freezes, his face paling as a horrifying realization dawns. He forgot the magic words. Panic sets in. Kassim forgot the magic words. When the thieves returned, they caught him and punished him for stealing. The treasure cave seems to mock Kassim's despair. Under the veil of night, thieves emerge from the shadows, their faces masked by determination. The thieves soon discovered Ali Baba knew their secret.
They plan to kill him.
Around Ali Baba's house, the darkness deepens, cloaking the thieves' deadly scheme. Under the scorching sun, a merchant approaches Ali Baba's house, leading a caravan of camels. The camels are laden with 40 large oil jars, their surfaces reflecting the harsh sunlight. As the merchant arranges the jars neatly in the courtyard, Ali Baba emerges, ready to greet his guest. Ali Baba extends a welcoming hand. "Welcome, merchant. You must be tired from your journey." The jars hide thieves, and the merchant is a disguised leader. In the dimly lit house, Marjina moves with the grace of a shadow, her eyes scanning the rows of oil jars. A flicker of suspicion dances across her face, a silent warning in the quiet night. She approaches the massive pot over the hearth, her movements quick and decisive. With determined resolve, she lights the fire beneath the pot, setting her plan into motion. The oil begins to bubble and boil, a prelude to the night's dark task. Ali Baba's clever maid Marjina suspected danger. She boiled oil and poured it into each jar, defeating the hidden thieves. In the dead of night, a thief leader slips into Ali Baba's home, a sword gleaming menacingly. Marjina emerges from the shadows, her eyes blazing with courage, ready to confront the intruder. Marjina's voice cuts through the silence. "I know who you are." The leader lunges, but Marjina's cunning is quicker than his blade. With a swift move, Marjina outmaneuvers him, delivering a decisive strike. Ali Baba is saved from certain doom, thanks to Marjina's bravery and quick thinking. In the warm light of his home, Ali Baba's eyes reflect deep gratitude as he looks upon Marjina.
With heartfelt sincerity, Ali Baba declares, "Marjina, you saved my life. I am forever in your debt."
Under the benevolent gaze of the sun, Ali Baba generously shares his fortune among the impoverished villagers. Each coin is a beacon of hope, transforming despair into smiles. The air is filled with gratitude as Ali Baba's generosity weaves through the village. His face, a canvas of contentment, reflects the peace he brings to their lives. In the heart of the village, a legacy of kindness is etched. The village thrives under the warmth of his charitable spirit. In the warm glow of daylight, Ali Baba sits among his children, his face a map of wisdom and time. "Children, I want to teach you something more valuable than gold or jewels."
It is the importance of honesty and integrity. True wealth isn't measured in coins, but in the goodness of your character. A person of integrity is richer than any king.
The children listen intently, absorbing the profound lesson from their father, their futures yet unwritten. Under the sun's golden caress, Ali Baba presides over his stall, a beacon of warmth in the bustling marketplace. With meticulous care, Ali Baba ensures fairness prevails, his focus unwavering as he balances the scales for a customer. A smile spreads across Ali Baba's face, a beacon of genuine warmth as he offers a fair price, his greeting as inviting as the spices he sells. The market teems with life, a symphony of bartering voices and joyous laughter swirling around Ali Baba's humble stall. The scales tip ever so slightly as Ali Baba adds another spice, a small act rippling through the vibrant market. In the heart of the bustling market, Ali Baba's stall stands as a testament to the simple joys of honest trade and human connection. Sunlight floods Marjina's new home, a beacon of the freedom and happiness gifted by Ali Baba. The pages of the book whisper secrets of wisdom and growth. Lost in the stories, Marjina finds herself transported to realms of endless possibilities. Each word is a step further from her previous life, a promise of a brighter future. The comfortable home wraps her in a sense of security, a haven far removed from danger. In the quiet of her sanctuary, Marjina embraces the dawn of her new life. Sunlight spills through the forest canopy as weary travelers stumble into view, their exhaustion painting a vivid tableau of hardship. Ali Baba watches the travelers, his kind eyes reflecting a deep well of empathy born from his own past struggles. Memories flicker across Ali Baba's face, each a silent testament to battles fought and lessons learned. Compassion softens Ali Baba's features as he decides to offer respite to those in need. With a generous gesture, Ali Baba directs the travelers towards a hidden camp, promising food, water, and safety. In the heart of the village, Ali Baba stands as a beacon of hope, his earnest expression cutting through the room's heavy atmosphere. Sunlight filters through the windows, casting long shadows that dance around the faces of the village elders. His hands open in a gesture of sincerity, Ali Baba appeals to their sense of justice.
Ali Baba's voice rings with conviction. We must ensure fairness in all our decisions. Justice should be the cornerstone of our governance.
Before the treasure cave, Ali Baba pauses, not to seize, but to contemplate. Sunlight spills into the cave, revealing the gleam of gold and the shimmer of jewels. He stands at the threshold, reflecting on wealth's true meaning. The glittering treasure serves as a stark reminder of lessons learned. In the heart of opulence, he seeks not riches, but wisdom. The cave echoes with the silence of reflection, a testament to his transformation. Inside Ali Baba's home, the fire's glow paints a warm tableau of familial love, casting dancing shadows that echo their laughter and affection. The air is thick with the comforting scent of wood smoke, a silent witness to their shared stories and unbreakable bonds. Their laughter rings out, filling the small house with warmth, each chuckle a testament to the simple joys of family. In this humble abode, the true treasure lies not in gold, but in the immeasurable wealth of kinship and love. Under Ali Baba's leadership, the village thrives, bustling with newfound energy and purpose. New schools stand as proud symbols of progress, illuminating the landscape with hope and opportunity. Improved infrastructure weaves through the village, tangible proof of honest governance. Every corner of the village reflects Ali Baba's dedication, a testament to his commitment to his people. Sunlight bathes Marjina's humble home, where a group of young girls gathers, their hearts open to her inspiring words. Education is the key that unlocks your potential. It gives you the power to shape your own destiny. The girls listen intently, their faces mirroring a blend of curiosity and dawning inspiration. Independence means making your own choices, standing on your own 2 feet, and not being swayed by others. Her words paint a vivid picture of self-reliance, urging them to embrace their own paths. Always remember, your worth is immeasurable. Believe in yourselves and never let anyone tell you otherwise. As the sun dips below the horizon, Ali Baba and Marjina stand together, the village bathed in the fading golden light. The sky erupts in colors, mirroring the warmth of their enduring bond. A gentle breeze whispers through their hair, carrying the sweet scent of blooming flowers, a sensory symphony of their victory. In this tranquil moment, their friendship stands as a testament to honesty and wisdom. The peaceful village below serves as a reminder of the harmony they have restored.